Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a whole year since I first tried out this Braun Silk Epil 9 SensoSmart Epilator, and today I'm here to share my honest thoughts and experiences. So let's start with what you see at first glance. This epilator is sleek and stylish, with a subtle texture and a touch of sparkle. The purple power button is a great pop of color and blends seamlessly into the design. Aesthetically, it's a winner. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pain. The epilator comes with different attachments. The attachment without the pain reduction protection is quicker and more efficient, but definitely packs a punch on sensitive areas. I've found it's best used in combination with the massage attachment, which, although takes a bit longer, significantly reduces discomfort. I find myself switching between them depending on the body part. With the massage attachment sometimes, it feels like it's not doing anything. But wait, pop off the attachment and voila, there's a hidden stash of hair inside. So it's working its magic, even if it seems like nothing's happening on the surface. By the way, changing attachments? Piece of cake. And cleaning? Just a quick brush off. No fuss, no mess. The attachments are super easy to pop on and off, and cleaning them with the included brush is a breeze. Speaking of attachments, the third attachment, the one for sensitive facial areas, didn't quite meet expectations. It's a bit clumsy and painful for facial use. From my experience, what this epilator is really missing is providing similar pain reduction for the facial attachment as the massaging attachment does. The massaging attachment has been a game changer, providing a more pleasant experience than the facial one. While the facial attachment does help with reaching some specific curvy areas on your face, it would be nice if doing so wouldn't hurt so much. One interesting feature is the SensoSmart built-in light. It has been handy to better spot the hairs, and if I press too hard, it turns red, a gentle reminder to ease up. Smart, right? But the real star here is the long-lasting battery. It's been impressive. Even after a week of not using it, the battery holds up pretty well, allowing for continuous use without needing a recharge. Cordless operation is a game changer. No more tangled wires, which makes it easier to maneuver around the body. And the battery indicator turning orange when it's low. Definitely helpful to know when it's time to recharge. Plus, it's waterproof. Yup, you can use it in the shower. With all being said, you are probably thinking that there must be some catch. While this epilator is indeed one of the best I tried, it is definitely on the pricier side, which is surely a downside. Overall, I'm really happy with the Braun Silk Epil 9 SensoSmart Epilator. The battery life is amazing, it's easy to use and clean, and it leaves my skin smooth for weeks. If you're looking for a high-quality epilator that delivers results, this is a great option, but be prepared for the price tag. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive 1 year later review of this epilator. Overall, it's been a worthy investment for me, despite a few hiccups along the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. See you in the next one.